let's talk about deleting unneeded or unused bookmarks. Tip number 4 in organizing your Chrome account is to actually go ahead and delete the unneeded or unused bookmarks that you have. Now, you might not really think that you need to do this, but often when I sit down with teachers, they are shocked to see the bookmarks that they do have. And a lot of times it's, I don't remember bookmarking that, and that's okay. Sometimes you accidentally click on that star. It's not the end of the world, but it does go a long way. When you clean up all of your bookmarks, it helps you find the ones that you really actually do need and do use, even if it's not one that you use a lot. So if you're trying to find that needle in a haystack, it's hard. But if you have just the needle, makes it a whole lot easier. And deleting bookmarks, crazy simple. Here's how. Now, obviously, since it's Google likes to give you numerous ways to do this. So the first way, and probably the easiest and my preferred method, is to simply find your bookmark. I'm hovering over actually this particular Google slide. I don't need this bookmarked. So I'm going to 2-finger tap since I'm on my laptop. And I'm actually going to just say delete. I'm not deleting the file. I'm just deleting that bookmark. Now, super simple. Another possible way that you could do this is I'm going to actually rebookmark this so I can show you, because if you know how to add a bookmark, just like I tell students all the time, if you know how to add a bookmark, you also know how to delete that bookmark. Click on that blue star. Say Edit Bookmark. And again, remove. It's gone. Now, another way that you could do this is clicking on the world's skinniest snowman up by your profile. Go ahead and click on that. And on Bookmarks, hover over. And then you can also go to your Bookmark Manager. So check this out. When you click this, it's going to open in a new tab, and it actually shows you all of your bookmark folders here to the left. What's showing you right away is your bookmarks bar. So you see how that replicates what I have up here. But you can easily then click on that particular folder and open it up. And then you can do a lot of the same thing. Do a 2-finger tap, a right click. You can go through and use any of these options that you have. You can also click on the little snowman out here to the right, gives you that same menu. And you can go through and delete the ones that you no longer need, no longer want, and no longer use. Such a super easy and helpful way of helping you organize Chrome. And I do believe that this is a tech tip that you can do and use, and absolutely should. And it will help you greatly organize your Chrome.